Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Lola wig by Revlon. This is a monofilament lace front wig in the color Fudge Ripple. So let me tell you a little bit about the color first. Fudge Ripple is sort of like a medium ash brown that has a sort of medium ash blonde highlight on top, but the highlight's kind of chunked. That's what that C means. So you can see like bold highlights. But you know, it is decidedly ashy. This is a cooler color. So if you're in the market for something like that, boom, here is an ash brown with an ash highlight. I know they're rare, so I definitely wanted to show you what this color looks like. Let's talk some specs about Lola real quick, then I'll do my 360 for you. The bang on Lola is 3.5 inches. I swept it off to the side though, because this one's a lace front. The crown down is 4 inches and the nape is 2. The weight on Lola is 2.1 ounces, so she's super lightweight, and the perimeter at the back, super stretchy. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little 360 for you now so you can see what Lola looks like on all sides. She's got a really kind of nifty curled texture, which means she looks really nice messed up. So I fluffed her up a little bit so I could show that off. Because this is a monofilament top wig, it has multi-directional parting options, so you can kind of part it anywhere you want. It's great. You like that? Yeah. This one is really easy. It is a monofilament top lace front shake and go wig because, I mean, with a length this short, that sounds like such an oxymoronic way of stating that, but you know what I mean. Hopefully you're following me. Despite my poor word choice. Because this one, is short. It doesn't really require combing, doesn't really require much in the way of fussy maintenance. You can just kind of fluff her up with your fingers and run out the door, which is awesome. Let me show you what this lace front looks like. It might need trimmed because look how much extra material you're getting right here. But it is a nice sort of light colored lace, so it does, for somebody as light as me, just kind of blend right into that skin tone. So I wouldn't even probably have to trim that if I didn't want to. And this one is very cute. It reminds me of like the traditional pixie cuts from the 1960s, how they had this kind of texture, kind of Audrey Hepburn-ish. It's actually really cute. I am not always a huge fan of pixie cuts, just keeping it real, just because they don't always look that great on me. But I think there's something about the height and the texture of this one that actually really works. So if you are, soft-jawed, as I like to call it, and you're worried about trying one of these shorter styles, but you hate how fussy the longer ones are, this one might be a good one to try. It's got some premium cap features, it's stretchy in the back, it's comfortable on, it's lightweight, and it's literally no fuss to style and throw on. So let me go ahead and show you what the cap construction on this one looks like. Here is the cap construction on Lola. La, 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 la. All right, lace front, mono top. They're all hand-dyed. It's good stuff. No permatease. At least, let me double check. Sometimes you gotta check for these things. Nope. No permatease, just a lot of hair. So you get a lot of volume on top because it's got a ton of hair. So open sides, open back. We've got no extended nape. It's pretty much standard practice on these short wigs, but we do have felt here at the nape and Velcro, which is cool. We also have felt on the ear tabs, which I also really dig. So this has been the CysterWigs review of the Lola wig by Revlon in the luscious color Fudge Ripple, which is a 914C blend. So again, that is a medium ash brown that has medium ash blonde chunked highlights on top. It's a really cool color. And literally a cool color. So, oh, puns. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you enjoy my videos. If you do, be sure to check out my wig store. It's just www.CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.